Hello everyone, my name is Quintessa Shields and I'm going to share with you a website called Prezi. Now some of you may know about Prezi and some of you may be quite new to Prezi. So I'm going to show you a presentation that I did on the human impact on the natural world. And we're just going to briefly go through this presentation and the information and how, we can use Prezi to present. So Prezi is kind of set up where you choose a template and you insert the information that you want. You can add particular content or you can add other subtitles and things to Prezi. So even though Prezi is particularly based on a template that you must choose from out of the list provided, you can normally edit the template how you need it to be and kind of just adjust it to what is comfortable for you or the assignment. So as you can see here, I'm just pretty much going through the different subtopics, and as you can see, they are kind of aligned in a particular way, but I've pretty much just added the information and added other subtopics and subtitles as needed. And if we just look at one more subtopic, which is the last one, which is the third focus area, this is just pretty much where I talk about the scale of human impact on the natural world. Basically, I'm identifying and analyzing the global and local issues that the human impact poses on the natural world. And here is just list my sources and just asking my peers after the presentation if they have any questions or anything. So just to kind of give you an idea, let's say for instance, if we were going to create a Prezi about this particular course, which is called Technology Fundamentals. And if we chose this template here, as you can see, this template, you can kind of describe this template as something that is going to be based on technology. So if we were to use this template, we could talk about the course and we could use these different subtopic areas to talk about what we can find in this course, what we can expect in the course, and then for our services, we can kind of go into detail what this course would particularly provide and how it would help us be effective teachers. The subtopic for our customers, I would change that to our students, because this course is based on how we can be effective teachers using technology for our students. And then the market trends could be changed to maybe trending resources as far as software designs, different apps that we can use for the students, or different apps we can use for classroom management and thus forth. So Prezi is just another way to change how you want the students or your audience to view the topic that you're talking about, and I pretty much love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful evening.